I recently came across a video on YouTube with a guy, I forget what his name is right now, but name escapes me. But he was talking about how you can make your bass string sound like new using this little technique that he does. So I thought, I wrote about it on Bass Guitar Rocks, and I thought, this is really cool. We'll save a lot of money for bass players out there. But, I haven't actually tried it myself, so part of me is like thinking, it's all well and good until you actually try it and see if it works. So, here's my bass. It's Ibanez BTB 5-string bass, and I got it in 2000. It's currently my only bass that I have, and I basically don't play it all that much, and the last time I put strings on it, I couldn't even tell you. I'm guessing probably at least about, I'm thinking 3 years. I'm more or less in tune, but this is what the bass sounds like with dead strings. So we're going to test this out with the A string. So here's the sound of just the A string. And now we're going to try this technique and see what happens. So I'm just going to turn down my volume, and then we're going to... Okay, so the trick is you're supposed to detune your string. So it's like slapping. Okay, you don't have to take it right off. Then you're just supposed to slap the heck out of it. I guess the only thing you have to be careful of is if your strings are old enough, you could just break them doing this, right? Now, he didn't demonstrate going up the neck like this, but I just figure, why not? That's what it sounds like now. Now, do you hear any difference? This is the string that I did, the A string. So that's the A and the D. A, D, and here's E, A. To my ears, it does sound a little bit brighter. I'll do it again. Okay, so I'm going to do the strings. This is the second time the A string has been messed with to try to sound new. So, and this time I'm playing with a pick. So I'm just going to do E to G because the B is kind of redundant. So, so here's the E string. A, D, G, D, E, A, E. Finger style, A, or sorry, E, A, D, G, G, D, A, E. I hear something. So, not sure if the mics are picking it up, but yeah, why not give it a shot, see if you can hear it in person through a real bass amp instead